If your dishwasher won't latch, here are the 3 most probable causes. The door latch assembly is likely damaged, obstructed, or malfunctioning. You should inspect the latch for any broken pieces or debris lodged in the area the door strike is inserted into. For latch assemblies that contain a micro switch, an electronic failure could be responsible for the door not latching. You can use a multimeter to test the micro switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the switch. If the micro switch tests negative for continuity, then the door latch is defective and will need to be replaced. In some cases, you can replace the micro switch independently of the latch. The dishwasher door not latching could also be caused by a broken door strike. A bent or visibly damaged door strike can be replaced with a new one to solve the problem. A damaged door hinge could also be responsible for the door not latching properly. Inspect both hinges to determine if either one is bent or damaged, and replace if required. Door latches, strikes, and hinges are all available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website's search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your dishwasher.